a sales camp. This is a training. You guys are going to be writing more than we're going to be talking. So you know how people learn, right? So this is why I like to do it with homeowners. We need to know this just personality, because I need to know who I'm speaking with and how they learn and absorb information the best.
I'm going to introduce you to an idea that can change your business and your life. You can transform your business into a roofing machine. An idea I wish I knew 15 years ago.
Disciplines matter. Motivation is just a feeling.
You can have the best idea in the world, but if your team doesn't believe in it, it doesn't make any sense.
The future is not guaranteed. I get today, I will win this day.
Okay, don't be shy here. We only have 2 days together, that's all we got.